Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best treadmill.
Starting at number 5.
Sunny Health. The Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 4400 folding treadmill presents a solid value for those on a tight budget. Although this affordable model may not include all the bells and whistles of its pricier competition, it can still provide a great workout. The tread surface is 49 inches by 15.5 inches, and the speed ranges from 0.5 to 9 miles per hour, suitable for walking and light running workouts. There are 3 levels of manually adjustable incline and 9 pre-programmed workouts. The console has quick jump speed buttons, program, mode, and start/stop buttons, and the handrails have extra buttons for adjusting belt speed or starting/stopping more conveniently. A bright LCD screen indicates time, speed, distance, calories burned, and heart rate. You can also select a manual workout's time, distance, or calorie goals. The console features 2 water bottle holders and a device shelf for a phone or tablet, so everything you need can stay within arm's reach. If space is limited, the SFT 4400's belt can fold up or down easily via a soft drop system, and there are transport wheels to make moving it around less strenuous. The latest update to this model brought a heart rate monitor on the handle and improved shock absorption.
Coming at number 4.
Echelon Fitness Stride. The Echelon Stride is a compelling option for those who prioritize storability and don't want to sacrifice too much in performance. Apartment dwellers or those short on home workout space will most appreciate this model's impressive ability to fold down to just 10 inches thick so it can be leaned against a wall or slid under a bed when not in use. It comes pretty much ready to use in the box, and it is quick and easy to fold the console, handrail, and support arms up or down, and 2 sets of transport wheels allow you to roll it fore/aft and side to side. It also has a safety strap to secure it to your wall if you store it vertically. Of course, it does make some minor compromises in trade for its storable convenience, but it's still capable of providing a solid workout. Considering its lighter weight and compact folded dimensions, it still boasts a sizable 55-inch by 20-inch tread surface, up to 10% incline, and a top speed of 12 miles per hour. The tread surface is somewhat limiting compared to the largest we tested, but we still felt comfortable doing sprints, high-intensity intervals, and endurance runs. It has a wide console that shows all your in-workout metrics in large bright numbers with quick jump speed.
At number 3.
XTERRA Fitness Folding. The XTERRA Fitness TRX 3500 is a moderately priced option that impressed us with its exercise quality and connected features. Its 60-inch by 20-inch belt allows for easy strides with less chance of snagging the edge. It is suitable for folks of all fitness levels due to the wide speed range of 0.5 to 12 miles per hour, allowing both 5-minute milers and casual walkers to hit their stride. Incline adjusts with the push of a button with 12 levels from 0 to 12%. You can do targeted heart rate training with the built-in heart rate sensors, including 30 programmed workouts. Whether on a manual or pre-programmed workout, the display includes all the data you need on a brightly lit, easy-to-read, 6.5-inch blue backlit screen. The controls are intuitive, with quick jump speed, incline buttons on the console, and easy-to-reach handrail-mounted adjustment buttons. The XTERRA features Bluetooth FTMS connectivity to sync to apps like Zwift, Peloton, Runkeeper, and Strava, paid subscriptions required, through your device for interactive, live streaming, or on-demand workouts and activity tracking. The console's multiple add-on features include an integrated fan, device shelf, auxiliary input, speakers.
Number 2 of my list.
UREVO 2-in-1. The UREVO 2-in-1 treadmill is impressively convenient. It requires no assembly, it starts in seconds and stores easily. The 2-in-1 treadmill can be used to jog with the handrail folded up and under a desk or stand alone as a walking treadmill with its handrail down. The 2023 update to this model increased the horsepower of the motor, improved shock absorption, and made the model fold even smaller. In its walk mode, the speed range is from 0.6 to 3.8 miles per hour and is controlled via remote. In its run mode, the speed range is 3.8 to 7.6 miles per hour, allowing for a fairly brisk run. The UREVO is incredibly compact in walk mode, easily allowing underdesk use or the ability to store it in a small place. There are wheels on the front that facilitate rolling it when tilted, but it's light enough to carry. Its small LED screen at the front of the tread belt displays elapsed time, distance, speed, and estimated burned calories. The handrail has a fold-out phone holder and simple controls to change speeds and start or stop a workout. It's amongst the quietest treadmills we've tested, especially at walking speeds, yet powerful enough to run and boasts a 265 pounds weight limit.
And number 1.
Horizon Fitness 7.4. The Horizon 7.4 is a gym-quality treadmill that relies on the user for entertainment, but that doesn't mean it lacks technology. Users do not need to rely on a specific app. They may connect to whatever app they choose using the machine's Bluetooth FTMS or go without. This treadmill has no mandatory monthly costs. The most recent model update made linking to other applications like Peloton or Zwift easy and offered some new training plans. The massive 60-inch by 22-inch silicone belt sits over a 3-zone variable cushioning deck that flexes beneath your stride like a running shoe. The machine's distinctive rolling control wheels are a highlight and among the most intuitive we've tested. The console is neat and well organized but unimpressive. It provides necessary information and little else. There are high and low tablet holders in the center and speakers and water bottle holders on both sides of the console. Assembly is somewhat involved. We also recommend having a stable and dedicated location to set up this treadmill because it has a huge footprint. It produces some of the least noise of any treadmill we examined. The Horizon seems solid and well-built despite its 350-pound weight limit.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.